President of the Republic of Indonesia, His Excellency Mr. Joko Widodo, and best wishes to you and the wonderful people of Samoa in 2023 onwards. In this great honor that I am presenting the letter of credence accrediting me as Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Republic of Indonesia to the independent state of Samoa. I would also take this opportunity to present the letter of recall of my predecessor, His Excellency Tantowi. I highly appreciate that you allocate your time today, and I, together with my delegation, am also honored to receive hospitality and a warm welcome to beautiful Apia. I'm also privileged to have met and worked together with His Excellency Hayasi Paali Skalan during this exceptional tenure as the High Commissioner of Samoa and Dean of Diplomatic Corps. Your Highness, for more than 40 years, the strong relations between our two countries progressively built since 1980 continue to flourish. As one big family of the Pacific, Indonesia and Samoa have shared many commonalities. We are blessed with abundant natural resources, friendly people, and astounding natural landscapes. Although the unprecedented COVID-19 pandemic has hindered us from making deeper connections and cooperation, I have the conviction that 2022 will mark the fresh start of our strong and prosperous bonds. I would like to extend our commitment to continue to foster our cooperation and collaboration in various aspects, particularly in cordial relationships in supporting each other's sovereignty and territorial integrity, economy and trade, post-COVID-19 pandemic, social, cultural, and people-to-people connections, infrastructures, environment protection, and climate change mitigation efforts, and other possible areas. We are ready to strengthen our mutual support and cooperation in a regional as well as international fora, including in Pacific Island Forum. My team and I are ready to meet your esteemed officials to further discuss these possible collaborations to further technical assistance and capacity building programs as deemed it. Your Highness, I'm honored to represent my country as a new ambassador of the Republic of Indonesia to the independent state of Samoa. I sincerely hope that during my tenure, the relationship between our two countries will grow closer, stronger, and more prosperous. Finally, I wish to humbly request Your Highness and the government of Samoa's support and kind assistance to me for the successful fulfillment of my tenure. Thank you. Terima kasih. Fa'afaitai.
Excellency, I welcome you and your delegation to Samoa, and thank you for conveying your President's warm wishes. I reciprocate through you my best wishes to His Excellency Joko Widodo and the people of Indonesia. It is my pleasure to receive your letter of credence greeting you as the Ambassador Designate of the Republic of Indonesia to the independent state of Samoa. Excellency, since the establishment of our diplomatic relations in 1980, the Republic of Indonesia and Samoa have continued to maintain strong and cordial relations based on the values of trust and mutual respect for one another. Despite geographical distance between Samoa and Indonesia, our countries share common interests, and I am heartened by your commitment to continue to foster our cooperation and collaboration in support of each other's sovereignty and territorial integrity, people-to-people connections, economy and trade, and importantly, climate change mitigation efforts, a matter of priority and urgency to the small island developing countries. As island nations, our people share a deep connection with our oceans and landscapes, and as stewards, we have an obligation to protect our environment and natural resources which sustain us. Samoa also recognizes the government of Indonesia's active role as a Pacific Island Forum dialogue partner in providing support through its contributions to development, technical cooperation, and people-to-people ties at the regional level. Like many other Pacific islands, Samoa has benefited from capacity building programs and educational programs offered by the government of Indonesia. We continue to work alongside one another at regional and international fora. Our shared membership in the United Nations reaffirms our steadfast commitment for collective cooperation as we pursue our common goals for a better world, particularly in areas of sustainable development, peace and security, and climate change. I am certain that your meetings scheduled this week with our government officials will yield fruitful outcomes to further strengthen our existing relations. Excellency, I am confident that your appointment will generate many opportunities for the betterment of relations between our two countries. I wish you well and hope that you and your delegation will enjoy your short visit to Samoa. So if you are here, God bless. Welcome to Samoa, Your Excellency. It's my wife here.
Nice to meet you.